It is such an honor to be on the BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast. Oh, well, thank you very much, Stephen. It's nice to have you here. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And today, we have a very special guest. I'd like to introduce Stephen A. Leon. Stephen A. Leon. And he's our special guest today. And so ikaton BOOZHOO, Stephen. Can you say hello to the viewers?
Yes, I'd be honored. BOOZHOO, Nish Anashanabe Dog. Welcome to the BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast.
Yeah. Okay. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Mazina Igun. Mazina Igun, book. And I just want to do a little plug here. This book here, OJIBERISH, Mazina Igun, OJIBERISH, is on sale at Amazon.com. And it's written by Michael Lyons, written and illustrated. And it's got Stephen here on the cover. So Stephen, can you answer a question for me?
Yes, sir. I would love to answer a question for you.
How come there's a picture of you on a book that teaches about Ojibwe language?
Well, I asked that of artist and cartoonist and writer Michael Lyons. And he said, very simply, apparently I am easy to draw.
Oh, really? I never would have guessed that. Well, there you go. So, Ojiberish, on sale now at Amazon.com. And our Ojibwe word of the day, Mazina Igun, book. All right. Well, hey, I just want to say thank you for being on the show. It's a real honor to have you here.
Oh, thank you for having me on your show.
And, all right. Well, hey, I guess that's all I have. You have anything you want to add here, sweetie?
No, not really.
All right. Well, hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, this is Natasha, and this is Stephen. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Menoa, Hawa.